Today on the C&J Mudco. No, wait, this isn't for today. Today we're actually going to go over a couple of the accessories that I got for Christmas, and I actually tried out the silver primary spring from the clutch kit. I know I said I wouldn't do it, but I tried it. I gotta say, I like it a lot. Thanks. Okay, today on the C&J Mudco, we are revisiting our clutch kit review. So I know I said I was going to stay with the almond colored spring, but after a phone conversation with EPI, I had actually decided I kind of want to try the silver spring. Other than the fact that the RPMs are going to be higher, like your engagement RPMs, which I'll actually show you right now. So the engagement RPMs with the silver spring in that clutch kit is around like 2300. I'm going to show you right now. We're in high. So about like 2300 it starts to move a bit. But so yeah, like I said, after I had a conversation with one of the tech guys from EPI, I decided I kind of want to try, jeez, watch this thing, the silver spring, because he said it's not just the RPMs that it changes, it also actually changes your low end a bit more. So it gives you a little more acceleration, it gives you a little more of that initial get up and go. He said it will engage harder, which I've noticed it does engage pretty hard, but I'm honestly okay with that. I mainly want to see if I can really feel the differences acceleration wise now as compared to the white spring, or almond colored spring as they call it. So that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to try it out, see which one I would like better, kind of do some similar tests as before. We're not going to get into any mud today, but also going to show you guys a couple of the new accessories we got on this thing now. First impressions right off the bat, I'm not really noticing anything crazy different. She still gets up and goes. The RPMs are definitely a little higher. I'd almost say it's probably about 200 to 300 RPMs higher throughout the entire RPM range. So you max out, but I mean it goes though. This thing definitely is nice and torquey. So I guess the tree's down. Probably noticed the my nice new, I know they look ridiculous, but I gotta say they work great because they keep the wind off of your hands and keep your hands nice and warm inside here. I don't have any heated grips, but I'll take this for now. Amazon, 25 bucks. I actually got them for Christmas. But anyway, so we're gonna do this pull again. We got the silver spring in. We're gonna do it in high. Gonna see what the differences are, see if we lost any top speed, and yeah, high 2-wheel drive Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Which is good, so I did not lose any top speed again with the old silver spring. Maybe test out wheelies, see how they go. When I was talking to EPI, they had actually mentioned that the differences you're going to notice with the primary spring changing out from the almond to the silver is, yeah, the engagement is going to be higher, but you're going to have more initial torque and more like acceleration, and you're actually going to have kind of like when you're coming around a turn as you're on a trail and you let up and get back on it, you'll have more down low torque acceleration again. So with that, that's the main reason I wanted to try this other spring. But I gotta say, it does pretty good. I gotta say, she got some pickup. When you punch it, you see it kind of lift the nose a little bit. That's kind of fun. Not bad for a 450, right? I know she'll do wheelies, so. Definitely do wheelies a lot easier now. So to do the wheelies before, I kind of like, I held the brake and punched it and like let off the brake and kind of sat down all at once, and I got the front wheel off the ground. But now I could actually in high just punch it, pull it back, and it goes right up. Oh, fun stuff. How it would go for wheelies and low. Man, don't you have to stand up or pull back or nothing. I just got to punch it. That's awesome. Just kind of sputters a bit, but. Oh, that's hilarious. What if I'm bouncing off the rev limiter? Oh, that's hilarious. I don't know if the wheels are actually coming up. Yeah. So low doesn't work so good for wheelies, only because I think I'm bouncing off the rev limiter pretty good. Like you can punch it, but pops it up a little bit. Oh, that's awesome though. That's awesome. She definitely has a lot more that initial punch and acceleration and torque for sure. Gotta say, I love it. I think I'm gonna stick with the silver spring. I gotta say, the extra like torque from the clutch kit really gives this 450 makes it feel good. Like, it feels like it's got all the power it needs. I know it still doesn't have any, you know, anything really above 40, but who cares? Unless you're into that kind of thing, but then, you know. This thing can still rip through trails pretty good. Go in the mud real good. I think we built ourselves a pretty solid machine here. We built us a pretty good machine here. Why is it every time I say that, we're gonna get tagged with branches? Ooh. All I can say is it goes through spinning the tires a lot quicker. One of the things this kit actually fixed too is when you're coming down a hill and you're on the throttle a little bit and you let up and then you get back on the throttle again, when it was stock, I noticed it mostly when you do that, it would almost lag and kind of slow you down and kind of jerk you forward. Yeah, it doesn't do that anymore. That's quite nice, actually, I gotta say. On top of all the other benefits, so I got nothing bad to say about this clutch kit so far. I know we're still in the early stages of it, but so far all positives. Okay, I also just wanted to do a little walk around of some of the new accessories I got actually for Christmas. So I kind of mentioned them before. These look ridiculous, but I gotta say they work. They keep your hands warm. You got, you know, they're water resistant, wind resistant, obviously. I don't have hand warmers, but I think these work pretty well. They're Amazon, like 25 bucks. Like I said, I got them for Christmas, but look at that, Sherpa lined. Ooh, I don't really know if it's Sherpa or not, but. And then we come back here, and we got the Mud Bandit tail thing. I don't know what it's actually called, but I also got that for Christmas. So that I think is pretty handy to get stuck in the mud. Could be up to your racks. You only have to reach back and reach right here, and you can grab it and get unhooked. And then, of course, can't forget this fancy blue shifter here. Ooh. Only thing, you know, the park reverse neutral thing is backwards, but hey, that's all right.